Here are some places you should never swim at. The first one is the boiling lake of Dominica. The boiling magma underneath the surface of the water makes it a terrible place to swim, because if you tried, all the skin on your body would burn off from how hot it is. In Texas, there's a lake called Jacob's Well, and this well is super cool because you can see all the way to the bottom because of how clear the water is. But unfortunately, getting out alive is super tricky. All the hidden caves makes finding a way out super difficult. The Nile River is a super famous place, but the crocodiles everywhere would definitely try to kill you. And if the crocodiles didn't get you, the snakes definitely would. There's like 15 venomous species, so it's almost a guaranteed death.